Most of us guys using various type of launcher in our Android phone. If you are one of them, stay tuned with us. Hey friends, I am Vijay and you are watching 220. In this video, we are check the reality of various Pixel launcher available on the Play Store, because I am a very big fan of Pixel and I always try to make my small budget little phone like Pixel. So let's get started. Let's starting very beginning. Why people use various launcher in our phone in order to customize their cheap low phone, make like high end rich expensive phones. And I'm also a person of that kind. So we have selected very launchers available on the Play Store, and thus only one launcher is stand on our conditions. So that launcher is called Rootless Pixel launcher. In the upcoming video, we talking about them. The Rootless Pixel launcher is very good launcher because it will make your phone exactly like Pixel. Because like the search bar, the navigation, the jump navigation, the changing of colors between the Google logo. The Rootless Pixel launcher is very good launcher. I use many launchers like Pixel, only Pixel launcher and Lova launcher, Flick launcher, but none of a kind launcher is stand on my conditions. The Rootless Pixel launcher is best launcher I am user. Because it's a very lightweight, its size hardly and almost like 2 MBs, and I am using this launcher as my permanently launcher. I am very big fan of this launcher. Enough for this video. Today I am signing off. I'll see you in the next video. If you find this video useful, share to your friend, like this video and subscribe our channel for new future updates.